So hey guys, what's up? I have a short update on these Raptor shocks here. When I first did my video, I ordered their Pro unit, which had an adjustable piece that went in between there in order to adjust my preload on my upper piece. So these were the sports shocks, and I ordered these Pro kit with the adjustable piece here. They never sent it to me. I did contact them and they sent it to me. It took them a week and a half, but I did get it. So they did send me adjusters and they didn't charge me for it. It's what I paid for. But I just thought I'd show you the difference on these shocks real quick. So this piece barely fits, and I'm worried that piece ain't gonna fit neither. But yeah, big difference here from this to that. So now I'll be able to adjust the stiffness of this spring, how soon it comes on, as opposed to where I was here. It was kind of locked in. They gave you some bushings here, or some spacers. I'm not going to use those spacers. I'm going to use this. So they do give you directions to say you have to split this, and I think I'm gonna have to grind this shock. Definitely gonna have to grind this shock down. So I thought I'd do a quick video on me taking more meat off here so I could actually fit those fucking things. Luckily I have a grinder. Boom. So what I'm gonna do is grind this edge off and see if I can get it to where this will slide over. I think that's why they didn't send them to me, because like you have to modify these shocks, and apparently the average public ain't fucking smart enough to figure it out. But I am, so you know, let's see what the hell goes on. I wouldn't want to hit that adjuster, so I'm taking it easy. So let's see if that was enough. And I checked on their site. It looks like these holes go upward on this adjuster, and if you back this all the way down, that's all she's got. That really changes things on here, don't it? So that stiffens these up a lot more than this right off the bat. Looks like I totally lost my soft setting, because look at the space difference. I'm about an eighth higher there. So this is still tight. Still gotta remove some more stuff here. It fits over that, but definitely catches here. So let's do a little more grinding. Try to make it look pretty. I don't see that damaging the shock at all, so take a little more meat off the shock. That's quite a bit of shit I took off. Let's see if that helped. Oh. Now where are we catching on? Man, it's tight. Oop, it's enough. So there we go. Little grindage. Now I have closed that gap a lot now, so imagine I lost a lot of my softness, but pretty sure that's how they wanted it. This acts like your spacer now. So I did tighten this up, so now I only got an inch in there when I had about an inch and an eighth. But I'll be able to adjust this to where I can stiffen it or bring it all the way to soft. Throw this back on. Boom. Make sure you're backed off all the way. Just make it a little easier. So yeah, this is kind of a messed up upgrade. You definitely got to do a little work to get her done, but hopefully it's worth it. All right, boom. So that's that. Another quick note on triple rates and dual rates. As you see, the spring goes flat there. They say you should stack your joints there. It'll help you from getting wear on the shock. I don't know if that's true or not, but I'm gonna try it. It's definitely worth a shot. So yeah, like I said, where this goes thin here, and like this spring goes thin, they say you should stack that, and it might help any kind of side load to where you start wearing the shock like this. So just a quick little note, something to think about. I'll let you know if it works or not for me, but yeah, grind off these tips here. Boom. Yeah, and the only reason I'm doing this is if you're a heavier guy like me, like I'm 240 right now, planning on being back down to 225 this summer, so you definitely need to spring for your weight when you're heavier like that. So that's why I'm doing this. These aftermarket shocks nowadays are great. This is a damn good shock. There's no reason why you shouldn't revalve it, respring it, be all the shock you've ever need. Well, you will ever need. A lot of guys go out there and deck their bikes out, especially on YouTube, and they can't ride them for shit. They never even see the air. Why waste $1,000? So far I'm in at $400 for the set, so definitely cheaper. Something to think about. Until next time, see you guys.